Angelina here, also known as Airplane Jane. I wanted to talk to you today about multiple streams of income. If you guys are brand new to my channel, please go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you'll receive awesome videos just like this one. So many of you guys have seen Grant Cardone. You've also seen Tony Robbins. You've seen Tim Sykes, Ross Cameron, Jason Bonds, if you are in the trading world. Those three guys, Jason Bonds, Ross Cameron, Timothy Sykes, are everywhere. Well, why would they possibly be everywhere? Let's think about it. They came up with an idea to go ahead and market their successful strategies. Now, many times these people receive a lot of hate because they are marketing masters, right? They trade, but for sure, they make more money in the teaching arena than they do in the trading world. You'll hear Timothy Sykes say, you know what? I make way more money on the education side than I do trading. I know that I was approached by the marketing guys from Ross Cameron, and they let me in on a little secret. They said, hey, you know what? He was paying $250,000 a month in marketing to make 2 to 3 million in sales a month of the products that they sell. So this is coming back to that multiple streams of income, right? I am a trader. I'm a mom. I do other things besides trading, and I am proud to say that I do that because I'm not relying just on one stream of income for my family, right? When you diversify, Grant Cardone is all about getting into real estate. You can have your rent paying you to have properties, right? There's more than one way to make an income. And when you rely on more than one stream of income, when you have another side that sort of falters or isn't performing as much, then you have the other ones to go ahead and contribute. So it's not about, hey, Timothy Sykes is marketing his software and his teaching programs. Guess what? That's a smart thing to do, right? Diversifying in your life is very intelligent. And if you have that ability, kudos to you. Go ahead and see how you can start other streams of income. Myself personally, yes, I have my trading. I have my watch list. I have the book that I wrote. Going to be starting up a new hot sauce business. Yes, I also do some affiliate marketing as well for things that I use personally. I'm not gonna just say, hey, use this, but why not go ahead and diversify and create multiple streams of income, as well as even YouTube revenue, ad revenue from my websites. There's so many different ways to potentially bring in income for yourself, but you have to look and see how you can do it. In the next 12 to 18 months, looking into buying some real estate myself, because I feel that the real estate market might be dropping again like it was in 2008 and 2009, where I wasn't in a place at that point in time to go ahead and invest in real estate at that time. So I'm looking to go ahead and see now in the future, what can I do? How can I set myself and my legacy for my kids up so that they potentially never have to worry about it? As a mom, I'm always thinking of my little ones as well. So I want to make sure that they are protected no matter what happens. Reading The 4-Hour Workweek from Tim Ferriss was probably one of the best things that I ever did in my life, and I highly recommend that. I'll put the link right up above. And if you guys read it and you see, you know what, you don't have to drive to work or now telecommute to a job where you're making money for the big boss. There are many different ways to go ahead and make money for yourself. You could even start a blog and start talking about, I don't know, car products and how to repair your car. And then you do an Amazon affiliate link in on that car product site. And then all of a sudden people want to say, hey, I want the best way to color correct my car, and here's the product. And then next thing you know, people start buying that product. You get a commission for being the salesperson promoting that product. And next thing you know, you start generating an additional stream of income. So there's many, many different ways in which you can make it happen for yourself. And the biggest thing you have to do is take action. No matter what you do in life, if you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for it to be handed to you on a silver platter, it will never usually happen. There are the rare few, but for most people, you do have to put in the work to be able to receive the rewards later. And the more research you can do, if you guys are out of work right now with COVID, I truly apologize. I know it can be very tough. If you got laid off, then it's time to reinvent yourself. I had 2 layoffs in my life. One took me to culinary school in Europe, and the other one took me to working from the internet in trading and trying to help people to be better traders and be better entrepreneurs for yourself and create a revenue stream where you're not necessarily dependent on other people as far as your boss or maybe an industry that might be going down due to the pandemic that we have going on. So it could be time for you to reinvent yourself. I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason. So if you guys are watching this video, try to do some brainstorming. Try to see what you can do to generate those revenue streams for yourself. Nothing, in my opinion, happens by chance. Everything is put there in front of us to make us stronger or to improve our life in some way. You just need to be open to it. So I hope that this video has helped to inspire you to go out, create more revenue streams for yourself, and be more self-reliant instead of relying on others, as there's nothing better than financial freedom for yourself and creating a dream world in which you can do pretty much anything you want from anywhere in the world. All right, guys, that's my motivation for today. Have an amazing day. Carpe profit, seize those profits, one trade at a time or one business venture at a time. Have a good one. See you next time.